tell me just what I should be expecting. 'Cause here I am on my own free will. Fortune favors the brave, so they say. Was it just as real as you expected? Does looking back give you a chill? Show me something you prefer today. Yeah.
All right. Well, I think Cup Pass is it's a fantastic place. Have like great food. The people they're just wonderful. You know, I'm always feeling welcome. I've been here before, and people are welcoming. The food is good, but the town itself is just it's a upcoming town, and I think what I like the most, not just about the club itself, and but the heritage of what I see within the Estonians itself and how hard they work from their history and things. It's kind of inspiring to see. So I really appreciate the place. Definitely, by all means. It's a good place. You gotta come to Club Class, without a doubt. It's the place. It's cool. It's a good vibe. I'm glad to be here, and people are very welcoming. So it's a cool thing. Absolutely.
Putting faith in your relief, I'll suspend your disbelief. Putting faith in your relief, I'll suspend your disbelief.